Okay, when you change out wheels, like what I was doing, you got to do the same kind on the same side. And remember that the front ones, the brakes go in the front. I swear to gosh, man. If I have a choice, I pick the wrong one. If you do a guess, I put the brake on the rear and have to swap them back. But a pain in the rear ski. Anyways, hopefully this is all right now. So I put two of the same type on the one side, and because the other wheel was just slightly off, and it just had a little bit of a canter to it. So anyway, so hopefully this will work better. Yeah, baby. Thinks she'll work. It's a new one. There's a junker out. Junker out, and the good UZ in. Good enough for a 2008 refrigerator. So she's an old girl. Anyways, man, I can't believe I usually clean the bottom of the doors. Look how the bottom of the doors get. That's why you clean the bottom of the doors. All right, anyways, enough with that. Okay, so just make sure your condensing unit is secured down and you got no water in that pan, and you can flip these fridges on their side gently, sand them up. That way you can get to the wheels, and hopefully we'll be in like Flynn. I'm hoping. Looks pretty good. Look, pretty darn close. Gonna be really good, I think. Should be standard. Yeah, this one's wasted. Yeah, that's not good. Threads are gone, so I can't just change the plate because I have these plates on my truck, but threads are wasted. So that's why I'm going for the full Monty here. Just change out the plate for 4 Phillips screws, hopefully. Boom, bada boom, bada bing. Yeah, baby, hopefully. Boom, bada boom. Harvesting some old wheels. The old Friggy. Hopefully it works. Hopefully changing out some wheels from a junk refrigerator. What does NorCal call it when you're scavenging the wheels and stuff off of junk stuff? Anyways, I've got a fridge in there that's got a bad wheel. Hopefully I can put one of these on it. Be cool. So guys, what do you think? Doors open. Doesn't close by itself. See the new door hinges? What do you think, guys? I think so. And door closer. Door closer doesn't work very well either. But I guess once the door starts to close itself, it'll. Yeah, kind of does work, but it's like no. I think it needs a new closer because it should. Yeah, what do you think? Door's not closing. What do you think? I think new hinges and a new door closer. Yup.